Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the final day of our 10-day English learning challenge. I can't believe we're already on day 10. Can you? Time has flown by, and I am so proud of each one of you for sticking with this journey. Today is all about celebrating your hard work and reviewing everything we've learned together. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's reflect on this amazing journey. You've earned it. Recap of the challenge. Over the past 10 days, we've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From vocabulary and grammar to listening and reading comprehension, each day brought something new to the table. So, let's do a quick recap to refresh our memories. Day 1: Introduction and Setting Goals. We started with Day 1, where we set our goals. Remember? We talked about why learning English is important and what we hope to achieve in this challenge. Setting clear goals is the first step in any learning journey. It gives you direction and motivation. So, how did you do with your goals? Did you find setting them helpful? Let me know in the comments below. Day 2: Vocabulary Building. On Day 2, we dived into vocabulary building. We learned 50 new words through an engaging story about Jenny's adventure. Vocabulary is the foundation of language learning. The more words you know, the better you can express yourself and understand others. How many of those 50 words do you still remember? Did you use any of them in your daily conversations? Day 3: Listening Comprehension. Day 3 was all about sharpening your listening skills. We listened to a story and answered questions to test our comprehension. Listening is a key skill in language learning because it helps you understand the language as it's spoken naturally. I hope you found the story challenging and fun. Day 4: Speaking Practice. Speaking of fun, on Day 4, we focused on speaking practice. We discussed how to improve your fluency and confidence when speaking English. Speaking regularly, even if it's just talking to yourself in the mirror, helps a lot. How did your speaking practice go? Did you try out any of the techniques we discussed? Day 5: Grammar Focus. Grammar. On Day 5, we took a deep dive into some common grammar points. We learned through a story that made grammar rules easier to understand. Grammar can be tricky, but understanding it is crucial for forming correct sentences. Did you find the grammar tips useful? Which ones did you start applying immediately? Day 6: Reading Comprehension. Day 6 was about enhancing your reading skills. We read a story together, and I asked you some questions to test your understanding. Reading is a great way to learn new words and phrases in context. It also helps you see how sentences are structured. Have you been reading more English stories since then? Day 7: Writing Practice. On Day 7, we practiced our writing skills. We wrote summaries and even created alternate endings for a story. Writing is a great way to reinforce what you've learned. It helps you organize your thoughts and express them clearly. How did your writing turn out? Did you enjoy creating new endings? Day 8: Story Retelling. Day 8 brought us the retelling challenge. We took a story and told it in our own words. Retelling helps you improve your speaking and comprehension skills. It makes you think about the main points of the story and how to convey them effectively. Did you try retelling the story to a friend or family member? How did it go? Day 9: Common Mistakes. Finally, on Day 9, we focused on common mistakes English learners make. We learned how to avoid these errors and improve our language skills. It's okay to make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. The important thing is to learn from them and keep moving forward. Which common mistake did you find yourself making before this day? Reflecting on your progress. Wow! Look at everything we've covered in just 10 days. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back. You've done an amazing job, and I'm so proud of you. Now, let's talk about how to reflect on your progress. Reflection is a powerful tool. It helps you see how far you've come and what areas you might still need to work on. Grab a piece of paper and a pen, or open your notes app, and let's reflect together. Ask yourself these questions. What was your favorite part of this challenge, and why? Which area do you think you improved the most? What was the most challenging aspect for you? How will you continue practicing what you've learned? What are your new goals for learning English? Engaging with the community. Remember, learning a language is not just about studying, it's also about engaging with others. You're part of a community here. I'd love to hear your answers to those reflection questions. Share them in the comments below. And while you're there, read what others have shared. Encourage each other, give advice, and celebrate your successes together. I've been reading your comments every day, and I'm amazed at how supportive and positive this community is. You've all helped each other learn and grow. Keep that spirit alive. Tips for continuing your English learning journey. As we wrap up this challenge, I want to leave you with some tips to keep your English learning journey going strong. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Here are some tips to keep the momentum going. Practice daily, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Make English a part of your daily routine. Consistency is key. Read more. Pick up English books, newspapers, or blogs that interest you. The more you read, the better your vocabulary and comprehension will become. Listen to English, watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or enjoy music with English lyrics. Surround yourself with the language. Speak as much as possible. Find a language partner or join a conversation group. The more you practice speaking, the more fluent you'll become. Write regularly. Keep a journal in English. Write about your day, your thoughts, or even short stories. Writing helps solidify what you've learned. Review and reflect. Regularly review your progress. Celebrate your successes and identify areas for improvement. Stay positive. Learning a language is challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Stay positive, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey. Today is not just about reviewing, it's also about celebrating. You've taken significant steps in improving your English skills, and that deserves recognition. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak, and every story you write brings you closer to fluency. You've come so far, and I know you'll continue to succeed. Although our 10-day challenge is ending today, your English learning journey is just beginning. I'll continue to upload videos with more stories, tips, and exercises to help you learn. Make sure you've subscribed and hit the bell icon, so you never miss a new video. Also, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Your feedback helps me create content that you love and find useful. Before we go, I want to say a huge thank you to each one of you. Thank you for being part of this challenge, for your enthusiasm, and for making this journey so enjoyable. I've loved every minute of it, and I hope you have too. Remember, learning a language opens up a whole new world of opportunities. It allows you to connect with people from different cultures, explore new ideas, and broaden your horizons. You've shown dedication, perseverance, and a love for learning. Keep that spark alive. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. You're not just learning English, You're building confidence, gaining skills, and opening doors to new possibilities. So, let's keep learning together. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Congratulations on completing the 10-day English learning challenge. Here's to many more days of learning, growth, and success. See you in the next video. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.